taking a quick video of right after the air compressor for the freezer and refrigerator, and also the AC unit for the gym. One of them just got put back in. So anyway, this is a overall view of the new roof over the kitchen area, and this is the stage area here, this raised area. So it went up to the stage, and this is how they did the seam for the expansion joint between this area and right out here by the dumpster, so you can see the extent of the new roof. Anyway, that's all. This is October 20th, I believe. Yeah, October the 20th, 2020.